Alright guys, welcome back to my video. Hey. Oop, I was just eating some popcorn. My hands are dirty. Oop, we're gonna clean that. But anyway, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this 26-inch Jerry curl hair from Arabella, period. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stick around, and we just gonna get right to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we just gonna get right into it. First things first, take that wig off. What? So we're gonna use Arabella hair today, and I'm showing you what's in the box. It comes with that little headband, the little instructions with it that's bent up, a wig cap that don't match me, bracelet, and then here's the hair. I'm honestly impressed. Like, look at my face. Like, what? Ignore the edges. Anyway, what? All right, so first things first, you want to start off by wiping your hairline with alcohol, and then, you know, just pop that wig on, period. Align it. Oh, before you do that, I almost forgot, put some powder on it, because, you know, that didn't match my skin color. So, you know, if it don't match your skin, try to make sure it do. Alright, now I'm just gonna tie up some of it so it's easier for me to find out where my hairline is, because yeah. Now I take the got-to-be spray, just glue it over it in front of the hairline, kind of. I'm still learning, by the way, guys, because I usually do glueless frontals. So I'm just gonna keep spraying it on both sides. Alright, so now I'm gonna just take my headscarf, my regular one, and just tie it around. Alright, and then I'm gonna take the blow dry it a little bit. I also sat under my other dryer, by the way, for a little bit before I decided to take this off. Alright, so I took it off. It's pretty much glued down, so I'm about to just start cutting. Now, I'm a weirdo, okay? So I don't try to cut all the way to the, you know, like you see no lace. I like to leave a little extra lace at first because I make mistakes still, okay? Now I'm just trying to cut the excess lace from the ear tab. I used to have troubles with this, but I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a little better, y'all. Like, I'd rather it's a little bit too much lace versus it's not enough. Now I'm just gonna take my got-to-be glue and just spray it more so it, you know, it lays down, because after I cut some of it, you know, it kind of started lifting, which I do need to learn how to stop that, because I would cut a lot of time cutting off the rest of it, then just repeat it. Alright, so here I go tying it again for like the third time, but yeah, I'm gonna take it down. I had to take out the other part because I tied it up like other times, but yeah, so this is me after I finally unwrapped it. It looks better, trust me, but we're not done yet, so we got to get that hot comb and get to work. After using the hot comb, I just defined my part using some Clinique concealer. I used to use powder, but you know, honestly, using some concealer or foundation, it is the way to go. Period, poop. Alright, so right now I'm gonna add my know.BTW foam. I'm not gonna lie though, the hype about this foam is valid because yeah, it slays. For some reason though, it's not laying down here, but it is what it is, so. Now I'm just gonna take my hot comb and get back to work again because I swear I was trying to get this as flat as possible and it was not working. I don't know why. Alright, so at this point I decided to do no part, so I just started flipping it around, and then I went off camera and decided to do little itty bitty baby hairs on the side, and then you guys pretty much made it to the end of the video. So alright guys, so you just made it to the end of the video. I just put on some makeup because I just want to be a baddie, but honestly I love this hair. I just, what? 26 inches come through. Period. I will have the link to this hair in the description box down below. Yes, if you know, it's expensive or whatever, but they always have sales, and hopefully I can put some coupons in there for y'all, you know, some little nice 20, 30, 10% off, you know. And I love Arabella Hair. I actually talked to them. They have great customer service. One time I had something messed up in my wig and they fixed it. So, but honestly, this hair, it is it. Now imagine I just get my little spray bottle and spritz this hair. What? And let it, that's the next video. I'm gonna wait to spray this hair with some water and leave-in conditioner and see how it turns out. But I like it like this for now. I have to go outside and do a little quick run, but yeah, so I love this hair. Like I said, barely any shedding, but that's probably, well, yeah, barely any shedding, and I used a hot comb on it. So what? So cop you some Arabella hair. Cop it. I'm a normal person. I'm a regular person. I'm not rich, especially at this time. But you know, you want to stunt out, and this Jerry curl. So this is 26 inches, hunty. What? Let's turn around. Let me, oh, can't even grab it. There we go. 26 inches like that. Oh, got my butt poking out. Ooh, my butt. Yeah, so copy some of this hair, and I will come back in about, let me see, I have another video uploading with how I do a hairstyle with this and this face right here. So, and then, you know, just buy you some Arabella hair, period. That's it. Buy it. Ooh. Buy it. Okay, they have gray 613 hair. Actually, I'm gonna do a video on that as well, probably colored hair, but I'm definitely coming back in about a week, soaking this hair, doing a get ready with me to get out, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, and if you haven't seen how I rock this pink wig from Isee Hair, not sponsored. Check that out. It's gonna be over here right there. So like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Ayy, and I'm out. Ayy. If you claim you want me, it ain't no